Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thamai Old Beat House Shillong.
Honorable Speaker, sir, replies to start question number 18. Sir, the proposal for upgradations of South Sampair Sub-Center to Primary Health Center has been approved by the government.
Honorable Speaker, sir. In fact, I'm overwhelmed and very excited to see this answer of the government, which I had repeatedly placed a request on every session of the House to consider the South Sampair with the Public Health Center. And seriously, today, I'm very happy to see the reply of the government that this Public Health Center for South Sampair has been approved. So therefore, sir, on behalf of the people of the South Sampair and on my own behalf, I'd like to thank the Honorable Minister in charge of Health for considering and approving the Public Health Center. So I'd like to ask one small question to the Honorable Minister is, when are we expected to get the sanction of this Public Health Center, sir?
So on 2018, we have sent a proposal to the State Program Implementation Plan, SPIP, for the sanction to Government of India, sir, under the Tribal Ministry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.